Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's observe the given picture and answer the questions based on electromagnetic induction. This picture shows a transformer setup. Question A. An electric current is not continuously produced through the secondary coil when the switch is turned on. Explain why. Let's find the reason. A DC source, or battery, is connected in the primary circuit. When the switch is in the on position, the current in the primary coil is steady or constant. A steady current creates a constant magnetic field around the coil. According to the principle of mutual induction, an EMF is induced in the secondary coil only when the magnetic field around it changes. Since the magnetic field is not changing here, no continuous current is produced. Now for question B. What change should be made in the primary circuit to ensure a continuous electric current in the secondary coil? The solution is simple. We must connect an AC source instead of the DC source in the primary circuit. When an AC source is used, the intensity and direction of current change continuously. This continuously changes the magnetic field, thereby inducing a continuous current in the secondary coil. Thank you. Happy learning.